Hey, this is Mike. Just want to show you this 2006 Volkswagen New Beetle, and it's in a shade of blue that I don't know exactly what the name of it is, and I hope the camera picks it up because I really don't know how to explain it. It's kind of like it's definitely a light color. It kind of reminds me like of maybe like a sherbet ice cream maybe, but this is a convertible. And overall, really nice vehicle. So let's go ahead and check out the front. It's got a place to put the little flower there. You can put any color flower you'd like. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. Stops really good. Here's what the back looks like. Tires look good, if not new. And overall, nice vehicle. I'm trying to find a place to maybe where the sun can show off the color, because it really looks good. Alrighty, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. It does have black leather seats, really looking good, and cold air conditioning, which is good on a day like today. Here's your door, and this right here will roll down all the windows at one time. It's really neat. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the trunk so we can look in here. Now, since it's a convertible, the trunk opening is a little bit smaller, but it does have a pretty good amount of space in there. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and hop in. And it is, turn the vents away so hopefully won't interfere in the camera too much, because it's a hot day, as you can see by the digital temperature right there, 94 degrees out, which feels hotter than that. But here's the vehicle. Got 79,494 miles on it. You see the gauge is pretty simple and basic and easy to read. And I'm noticing that in the video you can't see, there's a readout right here, and it doesn't look like it's showing up on camera, but it's really obvious in real life. So I'm not sure what's the deal with my camera, but it shows the trip and the miles and what gear you're in. But anyway, you can see that when you come test drive it. Your cruise control settings are here on the left, and wipers there on the right. And here's your Monsoon Volkswagen radio. It plays CDs, it also plays MP3s, and pretty neat.
Is where to get the career training you need. Well, take a look at Miller Mott College.
Well, if it had some music on there, it would sound good, but it sounds pretty good. Anyway, here's your climate control settings here, and your heated seats are down here. You can adjust it. You know, you can adjust it to 0 and you go on. I'm not going to turn it on, it's too hot, but you can adjust it by degree, how hot you want it. And there's a little storage space down there, power supply as well. There's your shifter. Here's your cup holders right here, and there's your that to make your top go down. Now, I'm not going to demonstrate it because it's really hot, and there's also some storm clouds in the sky. So as soon as I get the top down, I know it's going to start pouring down rain. So I don't want to do that today. But if you're interested in it, email me and I'll make a special video for you. There's your glove compartment. Here's your center armrest, but it's also like a little center console because it lifts up, and it's padded in there, so you can put like a cell phone or whatever, put it in there, and that lifts up out of the way when you're not using it. So anyways, There's a little place to put a flower. Look, a little flower vase right here. And then that way you can put your flower. Now Volkswagen makes special little plush Volkswagen flowers that are supposed to go in there. These are just some flowers somebody put in there, but I mean, it looks cool. But anyway, if you're interested in this vehicle, let me know. My name is Mike, and the phone number and email address will be in the description. See you next time.